I decided that it's not going to be just blood-related family experiences.
The community.
Yes.
Is family.
Things Jamaican. Promoting brand Jamaica. I'm going out. So my Japanese girlfriend and I have decided that we are tired of being locked up in the house. We are not prisoners and we are not having it. So we're going out. We're going out. We're going out. It has been raining for weeks and Japanese don't like the rain. They get depressed when it rains. So she's so excited. Usually we make reservation for the restaurants, but we decided not to. Well, we were trying to make reservations, but we couldn't decide. So we're gonna go restaurant hopping until we find the one that we like. Should be fun. We plan not to drive because we're gonna drink. We decided to meet up here, but I'm not seeing her. Let me put on my mask because I'm now in the public. I'll search for her now. Oh, there she is. Oh, thank you. You too. So beautiful. Thank you. I like your style. I was just checking like about the coronavirus. Why I was waiting. Okay. Where are we gonna go first?
Okay, maybe the first restaurant I sent you on the line. Check is over there.
Okay.
And one more restaurant is the other side, but they are by the same street.
Oh, okay. So we can just see what we like and decide. Alright, let's go. Chick dining cafe. Not the regular buffet style type elegant, but it's more casual as Sasori says. And that's the menu right there. Chick and dining bar. Chick menu list. I wonder how they got their name. So you can do a bit of drinking and stuff. Alright, so we're checking if we would like to stay here. We're here and we're trying to find the other restaurant. She went to check. Did you find it? So maybe first floor. I smell food. Wow, they have like an outside dining up here. Oh my god, I smell food. Hungry, foodie. Is it so far away?
Hey, I found it.
Oh, this is it? Is it closed?
No, it's open, but we can't check the east side. And
Oh, so we would have to go inside to see what they have.
yeah.
This is
Here
one of
the
the...
Nomihodai menu.
Ah.
It's very cheap.
Alright, so let's go inside then.
Let's go.
You wanna go in and see? Okay.
ここでいいけど。片で行けますか？いいえ、もう一回ですか？
Ah, I think this has the Japanese style seating.
この靴のままですか？
we have to take our shoes off.
Yes.
Ah, so we get our own little spot. So we're gonna stay here then.
Yes.
Okay.
This side, okay?
Yes, this is alright.
I'm starving.
Me too. Japanese style sitting. So I'm just trying to. Yeah, I'm comfortable. I'm comfortable this way. All you can drink.
Yes, yes.
And it's called
Nomihodai.
Nomihodai.
Nomi means drink, and hodai it's anything you want. It's free. Okay.
Oh, Nomihodai. Ah.
So here the menu and the beer and maybe some kind of sake and fruit cocktail or the drinks like cola, tea, some kind of.
Ah, so
non-alcoholic
not just alcoholic, but non-alcoholic.
And usually Nomihodai is kind of the cheap kind of sake or liquor.
Okay.
Include non-alcohol drink.
Ah, I see. It's quite cheap though, 932 yen. That's not bad. And 90 minutes?
Yes.
Oh,
you read this kanji.
Yay!
Wow.
I'm learning.
Nice. Good. Maybe this is shochu, a kind of sake and beer. Shochu with some first taste or some liquor.
I understand that. This is how I have to do it. I can't do the Japanese. Thank you very much. What's this?
Tsuki-dashi.
Tsuki-dashi. That's like appetizer.
Yes.
Okay.
It's included for the maybe charge, the service. Sometimes it's service, but
Usually we get soup as appetizer, or or just a little bit like salad or something like that. Menu is in English, the title, but everything else is in Japanese. Yeah, so I would have to translate if I'm coming here by myself. It's a good thing I have something to help me. Salad. So I've already gotten our apricot. Is this
Shinduchu.
Shinduchu? That's apricot.
Sake.
Sake. Okay, I'm gonna taste it and see what it's like.
Hormone.
I don't know what that is. What is?
Hormone. 食べたことない? Have you ever eaten?
No, I've never eaten. Try it. You can try it, and then
Okay, maybe later.
I'll taste yours.
Let's think. Two types of hormone. Just a grilled hormone and a fried hormone.
Round one.
Hormone and the salad.
Ready, go.
Nomihodai, the wrap. Okay. And maybe the
Round two. Ready, go!
Garlic steak, a pork garlic steak. There's a beef steak, the cut like the dice, or there's a grill, scallop, pork with salt, and this is the chicken. This is a recommended chicken, just with any black pepper. Pizza? Well,
Yeah.
Oh, pizza. Okay, pizza. You can tuna corn with mayonnaise, tomato and mozzarella, avocado and anchovy, ham and egg salad pizza, seafood gratin, and butter formaggio maybe. 4 kinds of cheese. And the bacon, eggplant, and meat pizza, mentaiko, the fish eggs with mochi, Japanese mochi pizza. You can choose this if you want to order.
Hey, I'll try the grilled chicken.
Grilled chicken. Okay, this one.
Yeah.
Let's order. Okay.
So not the wrap. Maybe later I'll try the wrap.
Okay. So you drink alcohol, you don't eat a lot.
Oh, you're asking? Yeah, I do eat. I'll have that for now and see if I can eat all of that.
Yes.
Because I don't know what the portion size is.
Maybe the small size, I think.
Okay, yes. Apricot.
Okay. 飲み物2つつけてきてますね。梅酒を1つと、はい、新ルーチュを1つ。どちらも6個でお願いします。
はい、かしこまりました。飲み放題の方90分制で、残りの30分はお席のお時間になりますが、よろしかったでしょうか。
どういうことですか。
1時間は頼むことできるんですけど、1時間後にラストオーダーになりまして、
それは飲み物だけなんですよね。Okay, when we order this Nomihodai menu, we should stop. So 1 hour is fine. We can order 1 hour, and the last maybe 30 minutes, maybe we should find maybe plus charge. We need it. So the last 30 minutes is for the seat.
Oh.
Anything, is that okay?
So we have up to 1 hour.
1 hour we can order, and then maybe we should when we pay that we can order that.
Okay.
いいです。料理がカナデ風シーザーサラダ1つと若鶏の黒胡椒焼き、ホルモンの唐揚げ。はい、とりあえずそれで通してください。Maybe we choose 3, right? Yeah. Okay. Then you can try. Whiskey.
No,
We can divorce. Divorce is fine.
Not divorce.
Do you understand what I mean? We
Take out. Oh, dilute. Divorce? Are they married? I know what you mean. Don't worry about it. Dilute.
It's a whiskey and with ice. Whiskey with water. Whiskey with soda. I wanted to explain that.
Okay.
I'm not strong for alcohol, so if you can drink a lot, please go ahead. 1 hour, yes, you have.
You don't drink a lot. You get drunk
I think
easily.
maybe I can do that. Yes. はい。This is the appetizer.
Okay. All right. Cheers. In Japanese, we say
Kanpai.
"Kanpai." Let's taste it. I like it.
You like it? This is a sour plum. If you want to taste it. Sour plum. Umeboshi. Ume taste. I think you like it.
Yeah, it's good too. But I think I prefer apricot. Would you like to taste it? It's a little bit sweeter than
Yes.
that one.
I like this.
Nice. Usually in Jamaica we have alcohol like so the age of what's it? The age of the age. Anyways, the age of alcohol is 18. In Japan is 20.
Yes.
Oh. And we usually have alcohol like at parties. You can go out to a bar. Bars are very popular. We have a lot. Yeah. And there are different styles. Some for older men, some for younger people.
Do they have some culture drinking alcohol?
No,
Not really.
not like in Japan where it's like, not really. There are persons who really love alcohol, but it's not like culture. I like in Australia, it's a culture. They drink a lot. Yeah, so it's not like that in Jamaica.
Because in Japan we have very famous sake alcohol, very Japanese traditional alcohol. We have sake. What? How is it in Jamaica? Do they have any original
Oh
Jamaican one?
yeah, we have like Jamaican rum.
Jamaicans
Rum.
rum.
Rum. Yes,
Rum.
R-U-M.
Yes, rum.
And the Jamaican rum is very, very popular. What persons do is to mix that with different types of juice. So like orange juice with rum. Campari is popular as well. Rum cream.
Rum cream.
And sometimes they do their own mix. So the party goers like to mix their liquor. So they have like a bit of whiskey. Whiskey is not so popular, but they might mix some whiskey with some rum, with some juice, cranberry juice, apple juice. So sometimes they have like a table with a lot of juice and different alcohol, like rum, Campari, and they just mix them.
Oh, the
Rum and
customer
Pepsi.
can mix up by themselves.
Yeah.
Like the
Yeah. Rum and Pepsi is very popular.
rum and Pepsi.
Rum and Pepsi.
Rum and Pepsi.
Yeah, cola.
I know. The maybe Cuba Libre.
Cuba
No,
Libre.
Cuba Libre. Maybe we call rum and coke.
Oh,
Maybe rum and coke. That's a cocktail's name. Cuba Libre, I think.
in Japan?
Yes.
Oh.
Oh, but I thought that name is a common in the world. Cocktail's name. Cuba Libre. Or rum coke. Just rum coke.
I'm not
Rum
sure.
coke or Cuba Libre.
Not sure. Well, we just call it rum and Pepsi.
Or rum Pepsi.
Wow, that's a big salad.
What's so nice? It's like a hat.
Yeah. Japanese style is too much for me right now.
I know.
You're used to it from you were a baby, right?
Yeah, and I think maybe that this Japanese style seiza, seiza is very, very bad for our health, I think.
Is it? I don't know.
I think.
If you're
You know
flexible.
Seiza. Have you ever tried? So long time? Seiza. We bend, not the bended knee. Like, okay, later I will try that.
Okay. Am I catching it?
Like this side.
Sitting down.
Seiza.
Seiza. Oh. I can't do that for long.
Oh, you can do that.
I can't.
I can too. I can do
You
that.
can't?
Yes.
Ah, and you've been doing that since you were a baby. I think.
I can do this, but if you sit like this so long,
Yeah.
long time, it's very hard. Do you know Kutatsu?
Kutatsu, yes, in the winter time.
Yes. In
Yes.
winter time we use Kutatsu. So this table is like the Kutatsu.
Fried hormone, oh my god. I am too adventurous. What is the hormone? Is it fish or chicken? What is it?
This is a meat. No, not fish.
Well, where does the meat come from? Which animal?
I think maybe normally they use beef hormone.
Okay. It smells good though. So sorry, you were saying the korigotatsu.
Kori means dig, and kotatsu means it comes from the winter season. We use kotatsu.
Right.
So this table is like a kotatsu table. So we mix kori
Kotatsu.
Yes.
I see.
Like this style, we can sit easily.
Okay. Your legs down.
You can check here. Yes.
Like this. With the legs down. Instead of the other style. What's the name of the other style again?
Seiza.
Seiza. Okay. Alright, let's eat.
So these days, this horigotatsu is very, very popular because we can sit down
Easily. Oh, it's not so difficult. Okay. Thank you. It has been a really lovely evening. Cute. Yes, I think so too. I think red looks so nice on me.
And I just found this. Maybe the color combination blue and red is really cool.
Yeah, it is nice. Thank you so much.
You okay? You can sit here.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, you can.
I didn't realize that. Maybe the wine is getting to my head.
I wanted to wear the heel today, but when I get drunk, maybe it won't be so dangerous.
Yes. Definitely. Okay. I feel a little bit drunk. How does it feel open? Why is it so hard to open? Lord Jesus. That's very hard to open.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Always. I am machine.
Oh, thank you.
Okay. Do they have something to drink?
Oh, no, it's okay. We just had some dinner and drink.
Really?
Yeah, at the restaurant.
Where did you go?
There's a restaurant just around the corner.
Corner.
Right
About
there.
beef? Beef or fish?
Hormone and I don't know what hormone and we had some chicken, grilled chicken.
Hotel. Where did you go?
It's on this building. Just
Same building?
yes. So you go that way and then turn right. I don't know what the name of the place is. Maybe she could tell you.
そっちどこの店行ったって？どこの店行ってきたの？
カナダ行ってきたな。
カナダ。カナダhas everything.
They have everything.
Chicken, beer, fish, everything.
Yes.
Like the Izakaya style.
Right. It was my first time going to a Izakaya style.
How about it?
I enjoyed it.
Really?
So I had a lot to drink there.
Already?
He asked if I will drink.
Okay, what do you want?
Maybe I'll get drunk.
Drunk? I don't think so. I don't think so.
Just a little bit cocktail, maybe just a
The
little bit.
sweet one or maybe lemon taste or something?
The lemon flavor is okay.
Lemon flavor is okay. なんかこうスッキリ系のカクテル的なものってありますか？
レモンサワーみたいな。
I like a lemon sour.
Do you
Is
like
that
lemon?
okay?
Lemon sour?
Lemon is okay, yes.
レモンいいぞ。レモンサワーみたいな感じ
レモン的なも
の
の。
スッキリ系のやつが飲みたい。
なんかスッキリ系のちょっと弱いやつで。
弱いやつ、弱めで。
I'm doing a video.
で、
I
何
think
飲む？
I'm gonna get drunk.
私甘めの方がいいです。
甘め
レモンちょっと悪酔いしちゃう。
甘めとレモン系の弱いやつ。
So what will you drink?
Okay, baby.
Hello, how are you? Welcome to Japan.
磯地だって同じ国の人みたい。
Oh, he's still patting me. Thank you.
No, welcome. Enjoy Japan.
Yes, I'm enjoying. You guys are making me happy.
Yes, I always happy.
Oh,
Looks like happy.
Yes.
Yes. I don't care anything.
Oh, really? That's nice.
It's real nice. You really like the barbecue style, right?
Yeah, this is really nice. Like, this is my first experience like this. Yeah. For you too?
So,
Not the first time, but I didn't know this area.
Oh.
1 hour ago.
Okay.
You had karaoke?
阪神タイガース。
どれぐらいなの
6年、7年。
？6 years and 7 years.
Yes.
This
Really?
yeah, this
No. I don't know. Maybe 3 or 4 years.
Oh, okay. So you had, is that karaoke that? Oh.
今日ですか？
今日、さっき終わったとこ。
あ、そうなんです。
そこに阪神はいっぱいおるし、で、来年オリンピックやからここでオリンピックを見るっていう。本当は今年レモン、
Thank you. Lemon sour.
Yeah.
Let's try it.
Japanese style.
Ooh.
Which is strong? Alcohol or lemon? Sour? 甘め。
This is sour.
甘め。
もう一つ多分出てくると思う。今作ってくれてある。
Maybe this is a sweet one. Okay, look at
Oh, no. Well, this so sour.
So sour. 薄め。ちょっと甘め。
はい、乾杯。イエーイ。
Okay, this is for you.
Oh, this is
これ芸
mine.
人みたいやん。
乾杯。
So this is sweeter.
Too sour.
Oh. Oh, let's try this one.
Better food. Are you okay?
I have.
Where are you?
Oh my God.
From
I'm from Jamaica.
Jamaica. Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Do you know Jamaica?
He wants to know your name.
Oh, my name is Katie.
I love Bob Marley.
Oh, really?
Marley.
Ah.
How old is he?
How old? It's a secret. No, it's okay. I'm almost 40.
Really?
You don't mind our business? We tell them about our job. What do you think?
Oh, it's okay.
It's okay.
なんやねん。
We're English teachers.
Yeah, English
English teacher.
English teacher. How long are you stay in Japan?
A little bit over 1 year.
How about Japan? Do you like?
Yes, yes.
But this is very humid.
Yes, it's a humid.
You don't like humid.
No.
In Jamaica, it's more dry.
Right. It's hot in Jamaica, but not so humid.
Not
Not so humid.
Japan is always humid.
It's very, very hot in Japan.
Today is better than last night.
Last time.
Yeah.
Oh, yes.
Today is dry.
Yes, that's true. And the rain has stopped. So I'm doing a video because
Really? I am Japanese Hello, Jamaica.
say Wagwan.
Wagwan.
Yes.
I am Wagwan. Fuck me.
Wagwan means how are you?
Wagwan, Jamaica, Wagwan. I'm fucking her. It's kidding. I'm wrong.
Oh, he's
I'm
making.
sorry. It's okay. Maybe your friend is always laughing about me.
Yeah.
Laughing. Yeah. Wagwan is how are you?
Yes.
Really?
Wagwan means
Wagwan.
what's up? What's up?
What's
Well, like, what's up in Jamaica? Wagwan.
Wagwan. So in Jamaica, good afternoon is me one.
Good afternoon. Yes. Good morning. Good afternoon.
Say me.
You can say Wagwan.
Wagwan always.
Like greetings. Hey, what's Wagwan?
Wagwan.
Yeah, Wagwan. Yeah.
Wagwan. Jamaica で Wagwan. What's up? What's up?
Wagwan.
How are you? こんばんは。
3人の
Do you speak Japanese? Yes. Chocolate.
ちょっとだけ。ちょっとだけね。
教えて。
ちょっとだけね。めっちゃカメラ。めっちゃ写真。
やりますね。
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 You understand. やりますね。
Some students told me that.
やりますね。Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too.
Oh, hi.
My name is Hiro.
Jamaica song. Jamaica song.
Oh, thank you.
I hope you can enjoy Japan. All Japanese friends, you should go.
Yeah, I'm trying to.
But timing, but I think the world,
Yeah.
they have a big problem about
Yes.
so Japan is a little problem for the world.
Yes, yes.
Winter, it's do you know the influenza virus? When we if our friend got influenza virus, we get the mask. Today, already every day we
Yes.
wear mask
Yes.
in summer.
Yeah, it's so terrible. Yes. I want to throw it away. It's terrible. It's terrible.
Terrible.
It's terrible. Tired of the mask. So you all work at the same company or something?
No. Just we like this shop's name is 10 to 10.
10 to 10.
Yeah.
Oh.
So
He's a shop owner. Looks like such a cool guy.
shop owner, shop staff. Where is owner? But looks like girl. He is the owner.
Oh,
His shop is the owner.
he's such a cool guy. He looks
Yeah.
so Oh, grilling fish
He
and...
is manager. This shop manager.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I don't like a chow. He is manager, but he is the top of the 10 to 10.
I see.
Yeah.
Grilling is going on and everybody seems so cool.
Yeah. This is Japanese style. Looks like that. That is very old type. That name is Yatai.
Yatai. With the hair.
This is look. Come here. Can you see the tail? Yeah. Looks like a bicycle.
Oh.
Looks like. So this is like a table.
Yes.
Clothes is this.
Oh, so you bring this up.
Yeah.
Oh, so it's like a truck style.
Yeah. This is Yatai.
Oh,
Japanese
Yatai.
name. Yeah, Yatai.
Wow, that's so
Very old,
interesting.
yes, traditional style.
Wow. Let me get the wheel. Oh, that's so interesting.
Like a bicycle.
Yeah. Wow. So you close this down, bring this up.
Everything is we can close this every place.
Wow. Yatai.
Yeah.
That's so interesting. Thank you for telling me that. Wow. I've never been to a yatai before.
もしよければちょっとだけ一回だけ閉めてよ。ちょっとだけ一瞬閉めてよ。頭下げて。やばい。Yeah, like this.
Ah, so you move that.
Close.
Oh, I see.
Open style.
I see. Wow, that's so interesting. Wow, thank you. Excuse me. There's a grilling fish and all sort of stuff. There's a lot of craziness going on right here. What should I do? Video. Yeah. We met at this very location and I am heading home now. And I'm surprised that my eyes are still open because everyone wanted to give me something to drink. Now I realize that this is the time that the crazy come out. It's minutes to 12 p.m. and I realize that this is, I think the camera is shaking too much. Yeah, I realize that this is where you see them and this is the time that you see them in all their glory. I had such an awesome time and I was like the celebrity of the night. Okay. Which is not really strange though, because most times wherever I go, I'm the only foreigner, only black person. Oh, can I see this? But I can't shut across the road, yes, sir. Alright, now let's shot across. Shot across the road, you know. Whee! And yeah, my friend, she enjoyed it to the max. She was like, wow, we did not imagine this. And I'm telling you, I just want to sleep. I don't think I'm drunk. I doubt it. I don't think I'm drunk. I'm not drunk. I'm not drunken as you suppose. I'm not drunken as you suppose. Everybody wants to be my friend. They want us to come back. But we see how that goes. I've always thought that it would have been interesting to I've always thought that it would have been interesting to meet the real Japanese and to have Japanese friends like that. But everything happens in its own time. It's just a matter of time, innit? Yeah. One of them told me, Katie, open your heart. I'm like, I should open my heart. And then this girl, she obviously was drunk. She was also smoking. She said, he loves me. I said, oh, don't mix me. Don't mix me. Why am I breathing so hard? I'm not drunk and as you suppose. Yeah, man. I'm walking home because as I said earlier, we decided not to drive because we knew we were gonna drink. I had red wine, sake in different flavors. I had apricot flavor. I had Chinese flavor. I don't even remember the name of it. Oh my god. It was like werewolf hour. This is when they come out. Woo. It was an evening to remember. I'm telling you, man, let's see if we can shut the class already again. A bicycle boy, I go on. One bicycle boy, I shut the class. Yeah, sunlight is down the road, I pay drunk at it. I'm now shut the class when Kara come. Those monkeys are with them face reach out. When they see them, they fish out. Oh, monkey that. I'm not drunken as you suppose. I promise you. Shut the class. Shut the class, you know.